Hello, friends, and welcome to Number Corner. We are going to take a look at our moon phases chart. We discovered yesterday that it was a new moon. So let's see what happens to the moon over the weekend. So today is Friday. So we have no school on Saturday and Sunday. So we'll need to look at those moons as well. So here we have Friday's moon. Not very visible. Okay, it's still considered a new moon. Let's look at Saturday. See, you see a little sliver coming back, and that is called the waxing crescent. So after a new moon, we have a waxing crescent. So let's take a look at Sundays. Sundays is a little bit more of a waxing crescent. So waning before it's a new moon, waxing after a new moon. Okay, and we'll see about 14% of the moon, and that's about it. So let's look at our observation chart. Today is not Thursday anymore. What is it, folks? Yep, it's Friday. You guys can write Friday while I write Friday. And it is not the 17th anymore. What is it? Yep, it's the 18th. Not many days left in September. And here our abbreviated date. We have 9, which stands for the 9th month, which is September. And it is the 18th. Okay, so go ahead and start making your prediction while I show you the calendar grid. Yesterday was popsicle sticks. Let's see what, today is going to be. So with the 18, we had popsicle sticks. So what is it going to be, folks? Write in your prediction. And pause it if you need to. Let's flip it over. Oh, it's dots. Raise your hand if you thought it was dots. Nice job. Okay, so you are going to fill out this part. I am going to fill out our big one. I moved some things because we were running out of room. So today is September 18th. Okay, and we have a picture. We have dots. And our dots are, make it a little bit bigger, 10 and some more. How many more? Let's see, I can count by twos. 2, 4, 6, 8. So we have 1 10 and 8 ones. So our equation is 10 plus 8 equals 18. Okay, now you do not need to continue writing. You can just watch. But we also need to turn over Saturday and we need to turn over Sunday because we won't be here to do it. So that's 19. Oh, did you guess it was going to be tally marks? Okay, so Saturday is 9, 19, and there's going to be, not a great 9, I better fix that. There's going to be 19 tally marks, so help me out, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay, and I can circle that group of 10. So I have one group of 10, 9 ones, And my equation is 10 plus 9 equals 19. Okay, let's go ahead and look at Sundays. We saw Sunday's moon. Let's look at Sunday's calendar grid. Oh, popsicle sticks. So our date on Sunday is going to be 9 September 20th. Now, if we look at our picture, we have two groups of 10. Oopsie, that won't work. So we have 10 and we have 20. So now this is where we change things. How many groups of 10 do I have now? I have two groups of 10s. Do I have any leftover ones? Nope. So I have 0 ones. And my equation is 20 plus 0. And that equals 20. So remember, these numbers are reflecting September's date and the date in the month of September. Now, when we go and move on to our September number corner tracker, here we go to the days in school. This are the days, the amount of days that we have been in school. And let's look. Yesterday, it was what? It was the decade day, right? So we have 2 10s now, 2 10s in the days of school. And now we're going to start a new group of 10s. So now we have 21. Yesterday was 20. We add one more. We have 21. So when we write 21, it's a number with 2 10s and 1 1. So here we go, 2 10s and 1 1. So on this chart, 21, whoopsie, we have 21 and we write 20. Put a dash, 1, 21. And if I were going to write an equation, I could say, well, this number has 20 plus 1, and it equals 21. You can show it however you would like. I bet some will do 10 plus 10 plus 1. Lots of things that you can do. Great job. So now let's look at our chart. I hope you filled that in. Now we just have one more thing to do. It's our calendar collector. So let's switch over to that. Oh boy, last week we had 22 cents. Now look at all these pennies we collected this week. I have a feeling if we don't spin correctly, we're going to have to mark off of our chart, but that's okay. Let's see. Oh, okay. Well, we got 1 nickel and we got 1 more penny. Look at there. There's another group of 10, isn't there? Or a group of 5, sorry. Another group of 5. So we have 5 pennies here and 5 pennies here. What does that make? It makes 10. Now, do you remember how much a nickel is worth? It's worth 5. So we can count these by what? Yep, we can count them by 5. So 5, 10. Can we keep counting to find out how much we have all together? Let's do that. 5, 10, 15, 20. So I'm going to write how much we had right here. 20 cents. 20 cents. So let's go back to your chart. We need to click X out, one more X for nickels, and one more for penny, and this is a group of 5, right? So there we go. So this week we had 20 cents. 20 cents. I wonder what next week will bring. Have a great weekend.